welcome to my slide. Hi Harry, Heidi, Lachlan, Lily Rose, those are the ones I can remember so far, but obviously I'll shout out again. Quick warm-up activity to start, new topic this week, so we're not got any revision. So it says complete the table square. So you've got a table, you've been given some numbers, and you've been giving the missing numbers for these parts, and these are the multiples. So you need to add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to this part of the table, which will then help you to complete these missing parts. A bit of a tricky starter one than I normally give, so I'll give you a little bit of extra time to warm up, have a go, while I do some more shout outs. Hi Amelia in York, hi Sam from Nottingham, hi Kieran in Gillingham, hi Mia, hi Adriana, hi Halle Beth, hi Tej, hi Seth, hi Kenyan, hi Josh, hi Evie and Amelia, or Emile I think, sorry. Hi Katie, hi Isabella and Rosa from Swansea, wow. Hi Jesus, is that, I hope I pronounced your name right. Kazus, Kajus, oh, it's very hard to pronounce. It's a nice name then. Hi Matthew, age 9 from Leighton Buzzard. Hi Evie and Amelia from Manchester. Hi Tom and Broughton. Hi Joseph. So, take a second to take these down. I need some space. This, just seeing. I'm not sure if the feed's working or not. Yeah, it is. Ah, good. Sorry. I was just checking because the feed on my computer had frozen. I thought, oh, I've not said all those shout outs and done everything. And it hasn't worked. Let's have a look. Have you got any more? Wow, there's so many people. Yeah, hi Joseph, hi Tom, hi Isaac in Colchester. We've got some people in Brecon. Hi Matthew, you're new today. Hi Iona from Tunbridge Wells. Hi Katie, hi Seb, hi Nathaniel. Okay. Hi Daisy. Oh, someone's very clever and spotted something. Okay. Hi Catherine in Northampton. Okay, so let's have a look. Yeah, different challenge to start with. So, it says complete the table square. So you need to add these numbers into the table. And they've got to go here and here. When you times them together, they make the number in the middle. But someone's already spotted something that I didn't spot at first when I was doing this. And I thought, oh, that's a bit of a mean trick, but it's a good one. I'll come back to that in a second. So you immediately think, right, let's look at some of the numbers. 35 stands out because it's only in 2 times tables. 2 times tables. 7 times 5 is 35. So I'm thinking, right, this is either 5 or 7, and this is either 5 or 7. So I think, well, it has to be 5 here because you can't, 30 is not in the 7 times table. So we've got 5 and we've got 7. So those across 3. Now, coming to look at some other ones. Which other ones can I get an idea quickly of which numbers they are? 6. 6 is only in the 2s and the 3s times 2 and 3 times table. So I'm thinking, right, this has got to be 2 or 3. And then this has got to be 2 or 3. 24 is also even. And it's also in the 3 times table. So I'm thinking, oh, which way around it is. But times 2, 24, I'd have to times it by 12. So 12 would have to be here. But we're not given the number 12. So it can't be 2 here. It has to be 3. And then 2 will go here. So we've got 2, we've got 3 sorted. Right, let's have another look. So what have we got? We've got 4, 6 and 8. So I'm thinking, right, 6, 30 is in, so, oh yeah, look, 5 times 6 is 30. So 6 must go here. It's already been done for us. What do I times by 6 to make 42? 7. Oh, hang on. We've already got 7 there. Have I made a mistake? Well, surely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I think there's a number that needs to go twice. Just keep checking it, always check. So what do I times 7 by to make 28? Well, 7 4s are 28. Okay, and have I got any missing here? So what do I times 3 by to make 24? Well, the number I've got left is 6. So it's, it's 8. So is 8 3s 24? It is. So the way to do that is not to worry about the gaps, first of all, is to systematically go through each number and find out which ones are impossible to use. So like that had to be 7 or 35, that had to be 2 or 3, and then that will help you put in all the different positions, okay? In case you were doing it, the missing numbers, 21, I've got it written down, I'm cheating, I'd already done it, 14, 8, 12, 48, I did do this myself, I haven't just got the answers, 15, 20, 32 and 56. Just a bit of a warm up there to get you started. So this week, area, perimeter and a little bit of a volume at the end, okay? So I know a lot of you won't have heard of volume, it is an upper key stage 2 topic, but join in, I think volume's really, really good. But we're starting today with perimeter. I'm going to write at the top. Perimeter. What is perimeter? Tell someone in the room, tell your parents, tell a brother or sister, what is perimeter? If we're finding the perimeter of a shape, what are we doing? What do we mean? Tell someone. Okay? So perimeter is distance. Okay? So it's the distance around the outside of a shape. Therefore, it is length. Okay? And it's, well, so imagine if you have a square. The perimeter is this distance all the way around. Not just one side, not just the top, not just this side, all the way around. In a real life scenario, you might need to find the perimeter of your garden because you might want to put a fence around the outside of it. Okay? So, it can be measured in centimetres, millimetres, kilometres, yards, inches. There's lots of different ways it can be measured. So I'll start with a simple one. We have a rectangle and it is 4 metres by 7 metres. We need to know the total distance around the outside. So if this is 4 metres here, this must be 4 metres. If this is 7 metres, this must be 7 metres. So 4 and 4 is 8, 2 7s are 14, add it together, that is 22. Okay, so 22, and that's metres. Always remember your unit of measurement when you're doing distance or length. I would always stick to adding when you're doing perimeter. Sometimes, I know some of you might say, oh, you can just do 2 times 7 and 2 times 4 and then have your answer. But I always stick with perimeter, adding with perimeter, because you can get confused with area, which is multiplying. So I always try and stick with adding where possible. It's not just rectangles. You can find the perimeter of a square, nice and easy. You can find the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, this might be 5 centimetres. This might be 10 centimetres. This might be 6 centimetres. So all you've got to do is add 5 and 6, which is 11, and then 10, so that's 21. So it's just 21 centimetres, just the distance, okay? And I once did a lesson where, when we were doing perimeter, we tried to find the perimeter of the whole classroom. So we had to go all the length of one side and around. We had to go under, around the bookcase, all round, up through. So again, you could even look around the room and think, oh, I wonder what the perimeter of this room is I'm in right now. There's a few different ways of measuring perimeter. It's not just measuring the distance. You could be given squares. So for example, you don't always have to be given digits. Some of you might have seen this before lower down in the school. Sometimes you do this in year 2, in year 3, sometimes year 4. So you'll be told that each square is 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre. That means this is 1 centimetre and this is 1 centimetre. And you'll be asked to find the perimeter of the shape. So that'll be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that'll be 3 and that'll be 6. 2 6s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So even though there's no numbers joined on there, the information you're given allows you to calculate it. Okay? And again, you can find the perimeter of a hexagon, of a pentagon, not of a circle though. No, 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 no. I'll be talking about that later this week. You can't find the perimeter of a circle. I bet you're thinking, why? You can go around the outside of a circle. No, you can't. So let's have a look. So I'll give you another example. So here is a rectangle. It is 10 millimeters by 3 millimeters. So what would I do? I would know that this is also 10. This must be also 3. So 10, 20, 23, 26. That's 26 millimeters. Pentagon is a 5-sided shape, which Steph is not very good at drawing. and all the sides are equal as well. You wouldn't think, oh, I've got to try that again. So, there. Oh, that's better. So 5-sided shape. So if one side is 5 centimetres, all the sides are equal. So if you ask, what is the perimeter of this pentagon, you would do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it would be 25 centimetres. Okay? Right, what I'm going to do is put the 3 challenge questions up. If you don't know what I mean by 3 challenge questions, you're thinking, Steph, what is that? Where was that? At 10 o'clock each morning before the lesson, I put up 3 challenge questions for you to have a go at before the lesson. You can do them at 10 o'clock, you can do them at 12 o'clock, you can do them at 5 minutes before the lesson starts, but I will still put them up here for you to have a go at. I have got them printed out because it's quite hard to have drawings already done for you. I can't make them big enough. So, question 1 was, you were given a rectangle, and it was 4 millimeters by 11 millimeters, and I wanted you to find the perimeter. Number 2 was this one. Quite technical to draw this one. So I wanted you to find the perimeter of that shape. It's an irregular shape. Okay? And the last one is that it was a rectangle, and you were told that this was 7 centimetres and the perimeter equals 50 centimetres. So, what is the length? So you were asked, what is the length? Tricky one, that last one. Have a go. I'll come back in 3 minutes and see where we're at. I'm going to do is have a look at what everyone's talking about, what everyone's calculating. Oh, well done. There's loads of answers here. Brilliant. Hi Freddie, hi Izzy, hi Macy. Brilliant. Oh, I love people people guessing around the circle. Some people know the answer to the circle. Okay. Hi Isaac in St Ives. Hi Ethan. Wow, all these, gosh, you guys are quick. I'm looking at all what you're writing thinking it was from before. Super. Right, let's have a look then. So, nice and easy one. Yeah, 11. So if that's 11, this is 11. Oh, millimetres. Come on, Steph. And this is 4. So 11 and 11 is 22. 4 and 4 is 8. That means it's 30. Well done if you got 30. Now, with this one, it's centimetres. Each one is a centimetre square. So you need to count around the outside. Don't worry because it's irregular. So what I do is put dots to remind myself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that one was 20 centimetres. You just have to be really careful on those corners, not count the corners themselves. And with this one, you've been given the perimeter, and you know that one side is 7. So how do you find out the rest? How do you do it? If you need both sides surely to find the perimeter. No, you don't, do you? So if you know that this is 7, this must be 7. And we know the total is 50. So 7 and 7 is 14. So what we do is 50, take away 14, which is 36. So we now know that this and this together is 36. But we need to know what one length is. So we do 36 divided by 2, which is 1. So that's 18. So the length of one side is 18. Okay? Right, challenge questions now. I have to think of these. There's a term, winging it today, and when you wing it, you haven't got them all prepared because I can't draw loads of perimeter questions. I'll have squares all over the room otherwise, so I'm just going to do it in my head. So I'm going to do 3 questions at a time, all to do with perimeter. So give these on. I'm actually going to stand in front of the camera because you lot were so good then. You were jumping ahead. I think it's because I was taking so long drawing this one. So I'm going to be mean now and cover it up. So, here we go. Not going to make them too hard because it's the first lesson of the week. Bet some of you are like, oh, Steph! Come on, Steph! So. Okay, there you go. So, question 1, find the perimeter of this rectangle. Question 2, the perimeter of the triangle. Question 3, the perimeter is 40 centimetres and the length of one side is 5. What is the length of this side? Give that a go. Great, well done, guys. Oh, well done. Yeah, getting them all right. Even if, yeah, some people are like, oh, I got got 2 right and didn't quite get the last one, that's fine. Oh, got a sort out. Hi, Ava in Blackheath. Oh, all the way down in London. Alright, all answers coming in for these. Brilliant. Okay, well done, Harnek. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a look. So if this is 4, this must be 4. If this is 2, this must be 2. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter is 12 centimetres. For this one, again, even though it's a triangle, add the same number of sides. So it'll be 5, 6, 7, another 7. So that's 14 centimetres. With this one, you have been given that it is 40 and you need to find the length of the longest side. So you do, we know this is 5 and this is 5. So 5 and 5 is 10. So we do 40, we don't even need to write this, 40 take away 10 is 30. So we know this side and this side combined is 30. Split it in half, 15 and 15. Right, I'm going to give you 2 challenge questions and then I'm actually going to explain the perimeter of the circle which doesn't exist. Okay, so 2 more questions. Right, let's have a look. That's question 1 and question 2. There we go. Perimeter, please, of those shapes. I like the yays. Fantastic, guys. Well done. Oh, answers coming in already. Brilliant. Okay, so I'll just start. So, doesn't matter what 2D shape it is, you just need to find the distance around the outside. So with this one, we've got 4 different lengths. Okay, so we've got 10 and 8, which is 18. Okay, 5 and 4, which is 9. Add that together. 1 9 is 9, 2 9 is 3 9 is 27. So that's 27 centimetres. Now this one, you might have, I don't know, some of you might have thought, well, why is she just given 1? If I've given 1, that must mean it's an equilateral triangle. So each side is the same length. So 3, 6, 9 centimetres. Okay. I did want to make this lesson easy today. Did it on purpose because tomorrow we're going to be doing compound perimeter, which is a bit trickier. Okay? It is a bit trickier, but when I'm here to help you, I'll make it all alright. So I did this on purpose today, just to get your head back in the game, adding, looking at the sides, making sure you're adding all the right parts up, making sure you're using the right unit of measurement. Remember, always look, because you might keep putting centimetres, but the question might have said metres and you didn't spot that, and you could lose a mark for it. Just a simple thing is not looking at the unit of measurement. I'll show you quickly the last thing before we go. Circle. Okay. We don't find the perimeter of the circle. The perimeter is not called, it's called the circumference. The circumference. Can you say that? Circumference. Okay. A good way of remembering it is that it starts with circle, and that is still the distance around the outside of the shape. And you aren't just given it. It's not just 8 centimeters. You have to calculate it, and for that you have to use a formula. And to use a formula, that involves this very weird sum, a very weird symbol called pi. But it's for secondary school. You'll be learning all about pi in secondary school, but you use this symbol and an equation in order to find the circumference of the circle. If you're interested, go and have a look, go and have a Google of it. But that is a little bit further up from where we're learning at. Right, well done today. Thank you for joining in. I'm going to put the challenge question up now. It's a good one. And I'll see you tomorrow for perimeter of compound shapes. Have a think what that might mean. See you later. Bye-bye.